What's up, Ninja Nerds? I just wanted to come to you guys and just say thank you. Thank you for everything that you guys do on a daily basis for us here at Ninja Nerd. I feel like sometimes it's easy for me to get caught up in specifically focusing on preparing lectures and putting out lectures on YouTube and on the website and focusing on podcasts. And I just sometimes forget about the little things like coming out onto social media and just saying thank you. Because really where me, Rob, and Kristen are today are because of the support, the love, the care that you Ninja Nerds provide for us. It's because of you that we have an office. We're able to make this our full-time job. We love what we do, we're happy, and we get to help millions of people across the world. I think that's, for me personally, that's gonna be one of the most amazing accomplishments that I'll ever have in my life is what we have been able to do here at Ninja Nerd. So I thank you guys. I love you guys so much for just being so amazingly supportive. One of the other things that I wanted to just say thank you guys so much for is our website. You guys have been so supportive of that. Many of you have looked into the notes, the illustrations that our Ninja Nerd team has put together, and that's been super helpful for us. It helps us to continue to keep making free videos on YouTube for all of you guys' educational enjoyment. So thank you so much for that support. It really means a lot. Also, I know that you guys please keep checking out the Ninja Nerd nursing videos. Kristen's really working hard on them and putting out some amazing content. So for those of you who are nursing students, who are going actually into the field, there's no doubt about it, these videos will be able to help you guys out as well. So please go check that out. But I just wanted to come today and say thank you for everything that you do. I love you, Ninja Nerds. I really, really do. Thank you so much for the support and the care and everything that you guys do for us. It keeps us going to see these amazing, kind comments, the sweet messages that you leave us. It gives me strength to want to keep focusing every day, putting in hard work and grinding to make the best possible content for you. I love you guys. Thank you guys. And as always, until next time.